Oh, Waffle, leaping around like a frog. I just want to say one thing. You're such a clever dog. So many nights we're awake when you're woofing, but we still love you, everybody.
Waffle Doggy! Waffle Doggy! Waffle Doggy! You're such a clever dog. You're such a clever dog, you are.
There were 4 Brooklyn bells.
Saturday mornings. No work, no school, but always Brooklyn Bell family time.
Morning. Walkies.
No, Waffle. Look, let us finish our family game and then I'll take you walkies, okay? Go on, down you go.
Which sometimes meant Waffle's morning walkies had to wait.
4 Brooklyn bells, ding dong,
Walkies.
bell. Let's
Walkies.
roll over and all 5 down.
Walkies.
We can't
Oh.
run over!
Oh.
I want to hurt Waffle and I don't want to hurt Waffle.
Yeah, go on, Waffle.
He's right, Waffle, you've
That's
got
it,
him.
that's it. Move over, Waffle.
Waffle walkies.
Right.
Walkies. Please.
Walkies later, Waffle, I promise.
There were 4 Brooklyn bells, ding dong, who fell? Oi, oi! It's a bit early.
There were.
Oh, come on, Waffle. Just let us play.
Oh.
We were all having so much fun, we didn't realise that Waffle was feeling left out.
Evie, Doug, Mum, Dad, no Waffle. Waffle left out.
The tickle finger. Every bone is a funny bone.
Hello? Hello, family. Waffle left out. Oh.
Now Ticklefinger's coming to get you.
Oh, no, Doug. Now you know I don't like being tickled, no.
Oh. Oh. Waffle find dog family. Hello, computer.
Hello, Waffle. What can I do for you?
Type message, please.
Voice typing activated.
Gone to look for my dog family. Back soon. Waffle. Yeah.
Message ended. Thank you. Good luck.
Waffle dog family. Coming to find you.
Waffle, come on. We're ready for walkies now.
Waffle! It's not like Waffle to hide when we call him for walkies. Woof.
Oh, I bet he's gone through the tunnel to see Mrs. Holt and George. Waffle, come back from next door. It's walkies. Oh, that daft doggy. Where is that dog? Waffle!
What are you doing, man?
Oh, sorry, Mrs. Hobbs. Have you seen Waffle? Only he's gone missing, and it's actually time for his walkies.
No, I haven't seen him, Mr. Brooklyn Bell. And if I do see him, I'll sure to shoo him in your direction with this hose. Oh!
Thanks, Mrs. Hobbs. Mrs. Hobbs hasn't seen him.
Waffle!
Waffle, come out wherever you are.
Wherever he is, he needs to remember to turn his computer off. Oh, look, it's disgusting. There must be a week's worth of dog biscuit crumbs on here. Look at this. Look, as I was cleaning his keyboard, I've written all this gobbledygook. Look.
Let's see what you've written. Gone to look for my dog family. Back soon. Waffle. You didn't write that last bit, did you, Simon?
No.
Waffle did.
Waffle did, yeah. He was talking about his dog mum and dad the other day.
Now he's gone to look for them.
Without us. Oh, well, he says he'll be back soon, Evie, and I'm sure he will.
How's he going to find his doggy family?
I don't know, but he's a very clever dog.
Yeah, he's such a clever dog.
He's clever enough to write a note.
Yep, and he's clever enough to find his way back home. So let's just all keep calm, have breakfast,
and wait for our Waffle.
Yeah, and Evie, you keep an eye on his doggy flap, because you never know when you might hear that familiar woof.
But I couldn't hear Waffle's woof yet because he was woofing somewhere else. At the dog kennels.
Angela! Oh, hi, Peppa.
Hello, Waffle. Oh, it's lovely to see you. Is Jess with you?
No,
So why are you here?
looking for my dog family.
Your dog family, Waffle?
Yeah,
Really?
yeah, really.
I don't think you'll find your dog family at my kennels. But Peppa and I are really pleased to see you.
Love you, Peppa.
We're your loving kennel family, Waffle. But I'm sure your Brooklyn Bell family are worried about you. Let me call them.
Oh, Waffle left out of Brooklyn Bell family.
Oh, Waffle, they'd never mean to do that.
Oh, oh.
Evie, Waffle's back. Hi, Angela. Hello, Waffle.
Dog, Waffle's home.
Good to see you. Waffle! Waffle said he was feeling left out, so he came to the
Left
kennels
out?
to look for his dog family.
sorry,
Which I
Waffle.
guess we kind of are.
You know we love you.
Hey, where have you been? Oh, and who's this?
This is Peppa.
So this is Peppa.
We've heard a lot about you, Peppa.
Yeah, Peppa.
Oh, have you found a new owner yet?
Sadly, no, Evie. But I've brought some more leaflets for you to share with family and friends. So there's got to be someone out there who can give a happy, loving home to her. Oh, cute.
Oh, Peppa.
Waffle, look, do you remember that day?
Yeah.
What are you doing with that leaflet, Waffle?
Well, you never know. Waffle might find Peppa a new home.
Yeah.
Everybody drinks outside?
Yes.
Yeah, right, okay.
Come on, Waffle. Come on, Peppa. Waffle didn't come with us to the garden. He took the leaflet. And Peppa
Peppa, come on.
through the tunnel to show Mrs. Hobbs.
This way, Peppa.
One dog is bad enough. Two is terrible. Off you go, Waffle, and take your little friend with you.
This is Peppa.
This is a dog-free house. No dogs allowed. And no dropping litter on my nice clean carpet. Oh.
Oh, you, Peppa, had better not pick up Waffle's bad habits if you want to find yourself a new home. You are sweet, Peppa. Oh, let's have a look at you. Oh, always losing their dogs. Come along, Waffle. Let's get you home. Cooey! Cooey! Cooey!
Waffle.
Has anyone lost not one, but two dogs?
Yes, sorry, Mrs. Hobbs.
Actually, I'm not too upset, Mr. Brooklyn Bell. Probably because Peppa seems much better behaved than your dog.
Oh, well, if you know anyone who might be interested in adopting a good dog like Peppa, Mrs. Hobbs, you'll have to let me know.
Peppa likes you, Mrs. Hobbs.
Oh, she does.
Such a shame that Mrs. Hobbs is such a cat person. Otherwise, she could adopt Peppa, couldn't she?
You're right for once, Mr. Brooklyn Bell. Peppa is a dear little dog. But of course, I'm a cat person, through and through.
I see. Well, never mind. I'll take Peppa back to the kennels. Maybe one day we'll find you a new family. Okay, well, bye, everyone. Oh, and Waffle, remember, you're very loved. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Good luck, Peppa.
Thanks for being one. There you go, Waffle. I've added you to my picture. You may not know who your doggy family are, but you know who your human family are.
Brooklyn Bells?
That's right, Waffle.
I am your Brooklyn Bell brother.
And I'm your Brooklyn Bell sister.
Oh, yep, that's me. I'm your mum.
My Brooklyn Bell family.
And your Brooklyn Bell dad. Oh, and you, Waffle. Look like a dog who needs walkies.
Walkies! Walkies! Walkies!
No, Angela already walked
I
in
meant
here.
you in the picture. Oh. Come on, then.
Let's go for a walk.
Walkies!
Waffle the Wonderdog was back where he belonged, at home with us. Now we just needed to find a forever family for Peppa.
Everybody! Waffle!